Hi guys, this is Lohith Bhargav. In this video, let's see the face unlock in the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2, as it is a very old tablet, but this tablet also had the first generation of the face unlock, which was introduced by the Samsung in the old tablets also, but now Apple brought it as a new and a most advanced face lock, and it is the most trending topic nowadays in the mobile industries. Let's see how this Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 works in the face unlock tests. I will test in the all kind of situations. Let's get started. Let's set up the face unlock in the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. Go to settings and go to the screen lock. There in the screen security you will have the face unlock feature, and it is indicating that it is a very low security. Let's go, and it is giving a warning. And here we have some of the instructions. If you want, you can read by pausing the video also. Now let's go to the setup. It will show like this. Here we have to place your face. Let's continue, and it is asking a backup for the security. I will keep the pattern. Now it is showing that we are all done. Now we can use the face unlock also. Like this we can set up the face unlock. For the better results, you can improve the facial recognition by going to here, and again it will ask for the conditions. Then you can again keep your face for the more improvements. If you have any changes in your face, then you can update here. Now we can complete it, and for the more accuracy we can enable the present check require blinks to unlock. If you blink your eyes, then only it will unlock. If you not blink your eyes, then it won't unlock, and it is a additional feature that you will have for the better security and better results. Now I will check whether the face unlock is working, is secure or not also. I will check by keeping any images or other. Also, if I closed the eyes also, whether it recognize or not, I will show. Now let's see whether the face unlock works or not in the normal artificial lighting conditions. As it is asking to blink for the eye blink. Here you can see it is asking to blink your eyes. If you don't blink, then it will go to the pattern, the secondary security lock. Let's off that. Let's off the required blink unlock. Then let's see how it works. Now I turn off the blinks for the face unlock. Let's see how it works now. It is very fast, you can see here. As now light is very good, it is responding very quick. Now I will turn off one light and let's see then whether it will survive or not. Now I have only one light. Let's see how it works. See, it is struggling to recognize my face. If you are not seeing the screen also, it won't unlock the tab. See, now I am not looking at the tablet, but it is not unlocking. Let's see whether it opens or not if I closed the eyes. Now I had closed my eyes. It is not opening. As the light has been decreased, it is not working. Now let's keep the brightness to high and then let's check. Now I kept the brightness to maximum. Let's see then how it works. Now also it is failing to unlock. Now I had switched off all the lights. It is the condition where when you lost your power in the home, then it will be the condition of lighting. Now I kept the brightness to maximum. Let's see whether it unlocks or not. It is indicating that light is too low, so it can't recognize your face. It is not at least not showing your face to unlock. And it is failing to unlock when the light is very low at the dark conditions, as I kept the brightness to maximum level also. As it fails in the normal unlock only, if we kept the in the presence of blink to unlock, then it will fail easily. When the light conditions are very good, then only the tab can easily recognize your face and it can unlocks the face. But in the medium lighting conditions also it is failing to unlock. In the normal unlock only, if you kept the blinks, then it will be completely fail. And this is the review of the face unlock in the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2, and it is the first generation face unlock. Most of the smartphones coming now with this feature only, with this kind of face unlock only. If the AI implementation is not there to the mobile, then all unlocks also will be like this only. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any particular questions, you can ask in the comments below. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.